Hey guys, what's up? Myself is Shubhrajit and you're watching Prexofa. So today I'm going to talk about that how you can do basic multiplication and addition in your calculator, and that's the calculation is based on the matrix calculation. So here I have two matrices over here, and I'm going to perform these two matrix calculation in my calculator, and the version of the calculator is FX991MS. It's a Casio calculator, and I am going to do the matrix multiplication for these two matrices. And the first two matrices, it's a 3 by 3 matrix. Both of the matrices, it's a version, it's written over here, it's a 991MS calculator, and it's a Casio calculator. And I'm going to perform the basic matrix operation, the multiplication and the addition performance over here. So here I'm going to start about it. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix, as you can see. So I'm just have to press that how you guys can do this type of multiplication in these cases. So I'm going to start, and you can see that it's. So guys, I have to press this mode operation once. Again I have to press mode, and another time I have to press mode, and then you can see that the matrix is coming in the option 2. So I have to press key 2 to get the matrix, and as you can see that my mode is set in matrix mode. It is not coming due to the shadow, so I'm going to lose. So it's not coming, and you guys can see right now it's coming matrix. Okay, it's written over here. So it's coming matrix, it's in the it's set in the mode matrix. And I'm going to do this to multiplication over here. So I'm going to press shift and then press 4. As you guys can see, it's coming in three options. One is dimension. So the first option is dimension, that what is the dimension of the matrix. So in this case it's a 3 by 3 matrix, so I have to press this dimension 1. And there's a second option is the edit. So if you have any matrix, so you can edit the matrix using the second option, edit. And so I'm going to do the performance later. So I'm going to press 1 to clarify the dimension of the matrix. And then I can see that matrix 3 is the key 3 that I have to perform the matrix. So it's a dimension matrix, and this the edit 2 is the second. You can edit the matrix over here. And also, so I'm going to press 1. So it's coming 3 data, as you can see it's A, B and C. So I'm going to take this A, because this A specifies the first matrix and the whole of the matrix. So I'm going to press 1. As you guys can see, it's coming mat A, M cross N, M question marks. What is this M cross N? M cross N, as you know, that it's asking for the dimension of the matrix. So it's the dimension of the matrix. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. So the number of rows and the number of columns are 3 by 3, and I have to specify that. Otherwise, the matrix, the calculator won't take data properly. Okay, so I have to press 3 in this case. So I have specified my number of rows as 3, and again I have to press 3, because it's a 3 by 3 matrix and it's coming 1 as a default, because it always comes. You can also do it if you are talking about a 3 cross 1 matrix, then you have to press 3, and automatically default it's coming 1. So you can see it's a 3 cross 1 matrix. Number of so right now I have to do this performance. So I have to press 3 over here, n is 3, and now it's coming for A11. So I have to specify my data 11. What is my data 11 is that it's, I have to press 2 in this case, because number of the element is in the first row and first column. As you guys can see, this is my A11. Okay, so it's in the first row and first column, that's why it's coming as A11. And you have to give the data in your calculator, and you have to give this data 2 in your calculator, A11. Okay, so this is my matrix A11, give to data 2, and now it's coming A12. So what is my A12? It's my first row and second column element. It's my first row and second column element, and it's 2. So I have to give 2 in this matrix. It's 1 2, and then again it's 1 3. So it's my first row and third column. So it's 1 3. This is my whole matrix A. So this is my and again I'm going to do, so I'm going to give my matrix A12 data over here. So it's 2, and matrix A13 is 4. Now I have to give the data A21. Now it's asking for A21. So what is my A21? It's my second row first column element. So it's my A21. So it's a second row and first column element. So it's A21, it's 2. And you have to give this 1. Why this 1? It's A22 because you have to specify this data A22. So I have to give A21 as 2 and now A22. So it's coming as A22. It's asking for the A22 value. So I have to give this data 1 in this case because my A22 data is 1, and now it's asking for the data A23. So what I'm going to do in A23, it's I've given it A23. Now it's asking for matrix A31. So it's my A31 is -1, and my A32, it's third row first column element, so it's A31, it's A32, and another data is A33. Now remember one thing about A31 in this case, it's coming -1, it's given -1, and how you can give this -1 data in this case, it's coming -1. So you can, what normally people does, like they automatically go to the operator that is given in the calculator right side, they go over there, but you have to go this option, and it's a signed number, it specifies the sign of a number, so that's why you have to press this minus, it actually specifies -1. The operator minus is not a minus, that's a subtraction sign, so it's -1 I've given, and now it's coming for A32, so it's 5 that I have to press. So I'm going to quickly press 5, and A33 is 2. So again it's asking for A11. So you can edit the data manually over here if you want. They won't change it automatically if you give any specified value, right? Like that it won't change. So I have to give now I have to give the matrix B data. This is my matrix B. So again I have to do the same procedure, just only you have to do it for matrix B. So press 4, and right now I'm going to give the data as 1, dimension 1. Then I have to switch it for matrix B. So it's my B matrix, it's 2. B matrix, it's 2. So it's 2. So now I have to give the matrix B data as m cross n they're asking. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix again. So I have to just give the same values as input in this case also. So 3, it's a matrix, I've given 3 by 3 matrix. Now it's asking for the first element data over here. So I'm going to just quickly give all the data in the matrix, like 6 for on 3, 3 for 1 3, sorry, and now they're asking 2 into 1 and 4. I'm going to give quickly all the values. A2 MB2 2 as 3 to 3 is -2, and sorry, and 3 1 is 2, and then again 1, and then again -9. Yeah, -9. So all the data I have given manually, and right now I have to give what I have to specify I have to do the multiplication operation. Okay, so I have to do the multiplication operation right now. So here you can see the multiplication sign. So right now I have to give the multiplication operation. It's a multiplication sign. That how you can do this multiplication, now I'm going to talk about. So it's how you can multiply. Now again you have to press shift, then press 4. You can see this panel again. So right now you have to press 3 to go for the matrix, because we are finding out the values for the matrix. So I have to press 3, and it's coming matrix A for 1. So I have to press 1, and then again I have to press, it's coming, already have come matrix A. So the whole matrix is manually set into my calculator, and now I have to give the multiplication operation, and again I have to press shift and then press 4, and then again I have to go for matrix 3 operation 3, and then you have to give the matrix B. In this case I have to press 2, and then I can choose my second matrix. As you can see, matrix A and matrix B. This is my matrix A and this is my matrix B. I have selected both of them. So now I'm going to do the multiplication operation. So how you can do that? I will just quickly press the equal option, and it's coming 18. So as you guys can see, it's coming 18, the data of the matrix. So you can quickly check for the values if you want. Right now if I'm going to do the addition operation for these matrices, so I can do that also. So as you guys can see, I pressed all clear, and then I pressed shift and 4. Again I'm doing the same thing, 3, and then I'm going to press 2, sorry 1 matrix A I'm selected, and I'm going to do the plus operation, then I'm going to shift and then press 4, and I'm going to give my 3, and then I have to give 2 as 2 is my matrix B, so it's coming answer 11 is answer 1 is 3. So my matrix answer is 3 after the summation operation. So that's it guys. I hope you guys have liked the video. If you want to check that how you can solve an equation in a matrix, so just quickly subscribe my channel and go for my another video. And thank you guys, that's all.